Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Hi! Welcome! Come learn with me.
Oh, what is that? Quick, let's go and find out. Look! Strawberries! Strawberries! This is a strawberry. Strawberry begins with the letter S.
Yay!
My name is Strawberry. Look! Blueberry. Blueberry. This is a blueberry. Blueberry begins with the letter B. Hi, my name is Blueberry. Look! Watermelon. Watermelon. This is a watermelon. Watermelon begins with the letter W. Today we learn the name of 3 fruits. Strawberry, blueberry, and watermelon. Say them again. Strawberry, blueberry, watermelon. Good job, everyone! Well done learning fruits with me today. Join me again next time.